Hi student, as you know, Toolspace is very important for Civil 3D user. So in this video we are going to explore our Toolspace, how you can switch on and off. You can click here to switch on and off your Toolspace. These have 6 items which usually we use these 4 items. You can see here we have now 3. When I will click here, now we have 4. So we use Prospector tab, settings, survey and toolbox. We use these 4 tabs usually, and here we have calculators and tool palettes. So we will explore Toolspace in detail. First of all, we have Prospector tabs. Prospector allow you to explore your drawing file for Civil 3D objects. When accessing object data content in a drawing, it's a lot easier. Any object will be listed under their corresponding. Here you can see object branch. When an object branch is expanded by clicking the plus sign here to its left, Civil 3D named objects of that type are listed within the branch. Some branches such as alignment, display types branch when you expand them. When you expand alignments, it will show you centerline alignment, offset alignment, rail alignment, everything about this tree. So it's look like a tree. When you will expand, it will show you more items which it have. Prospector tab have 2 main view. The first one is active drawing view, which have the current drawing and data shortcut. We will explore data shortcut in much detail in 16th chapter. When you will expand, you will see all item of your current drawing. Then we have master view. Master view have open drawings, data shortcuts and drawing template. You can use many drawing template as per your design requirements. So we have some more items here which can help you. The first one, item preview toggle. This icon enables an object's graphic view at the bottom of Prospector. When showing preview is enabled for the object category. You will see here any data. So it's show you, for example, we want to show points data. If we have any points, then you can see here some points with eastern northern descriptions, everything with the help of this icon. Then we have refresh icon. You can see here when you will hover your cursor, it will tell you what it is. When master view is enabled, the refresh icon will display. The refresh icon is operation only when in the Autodesk vault environment. Clicking it will refresh the status icon for the vault projects. It's not available in active drawing. You can see here we have not, but in master view you have this. Another helpful tool, we have preview area display toggle. This icon will be active only when Toolspace is unlocked. This button moves the preview area from the bottom of the tree view to the right of the tree view area. Next we have panorama display toggle. This icon provides one of the several ways to turn on and off the display of the panorama window. The icon will be grayed out if there are no active warning or if you have not yet viewed data in the panorama window. You can always return to the panorama window regardless for your warning status by clicking the image viewer button from the home tab panel. So here we have another things, help. At any time during your use of Civil 3D, you can use the F1 key to bring up the help file relevant to the dialog you are working in. So don't underestimate how helpful this help icon in Civil 3D. Even for the seasoned user, help provides a comprehensive reference to objects and options. The most difficult part of the using help is knowing what terminology is used to describe the task you are trying to perform. Luckily, you have this course and we will use this help icon in the next some chapters. So if you see data shortcut branch provides access to shared Civil 3D objects across the project, which are objects that can be referred into the current drawing and updated dynamically from their source. So it was our Prospector tabs. Then we have setting. If we will explore settings in the previous exercise. In the next exercise we will explore Prospector tab. It will hand on exercise. So